This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Coldwell Banker Premier Realty. Gorgeous, spacious, custom-built home that will soon be ready for its first owner. This 2,160 square feet brick and vinyl home offers a great floor plan. The great room adjoins with the kitchen, which offers custom cabinets and beautiful countertops, and real wood floors are among the many custom features. Front and back covered porches, 2-car attached garage, and the list goes on. Call for a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Coldwell Banker Premier Realty at 479-754-4663.